If you're looking for the best small gas grill available, you've come to the right place. Small gas grills provide the amazing features of a propane grill with a small grill's convenience. It's a reality that living spaces are getting smaller and smaller in today's world. For those who like to barbecue, but don't have a large backyard or spacious patio available, a small gas grill is a great option. There are many products available to choose best small gas grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best small gas grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mastopeel Propane Tabletop Grill. If the space you have to cook is minimal, the Mastopeel Smoke Hollow Tabletop Propane Grill is an excellent choice. The grill operates on small, disposable, which are available nationwide as a common camping accessory item. The long-lasting stainless steel construction allows you to experience outdoor cooking. It packs a lot into its tiny design, like 205 square inches of cooking space, 10,000 BTUs of heat, foldable stainless steel legs, and a stainless steel drip tray. The coolest feature about this tabletop grill is its stainless steel design, which gives it a classic retro look. All in all, this is a great little tabletop gas grill that's a good value for the money. Great for picnics, camping, boating, tailgating, or even in your own backyard. The stainless steel firebox is perfect for all your grilling needs. The compact design, with locking lid, folding legs and large front carry handle, make this grill very portable and easy to transport or store. Number 2. Kucinich CGG 180 CGG 180 Petite Gourmet Gas Grill. The Kucinich Petite Gourmet Grill is a cool little compact barbecue that folds up like a suitcase that you can take with you practically anywhere. It comes with extendable legs that allow you to easily set it up on its own, or fold them in to set it up on a table or other surface. It's got a single burner that produces about 5,500 BTUs of heat across 160 square inches of cooking space, which is enough cooking room for about 4 to 6 people at a time. It has a twist-to-start ignition system that makes it really easy to turn on or off. It also has a built-in temperature gauge that makes it easy to control the cooking temperatures. At 17 pounds of weight, this compact gas grill is easily one of the most portable small gas grills on the market, and should be considered for anyone who likes to camp, tailgate, or picnic. Number 3. CharBroil 2-burner Cabinet Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The CharBroil Performance 300 is a 2-burner, 24,000 BTU stainless steel propane grill that provides 300 square inches of primary cooking space, plus an additional 100 square inch swing-away rack, ideal for warming sides and toasting buns. Those looking for style, durability, and convenience will like the stainless steel design, which features a lid-mounted temperature gauge and fold-down shelving system. Additional features include a push-button ignition, a removable grease pan for easy cleanup, and a compact design that weighs in at only 82.5 pounds. All the hardware below the grill, including the burner tubes and shields, is also stainless steel. I like the CharBroil chose to use porcelain-coated cast iron grates on this unit. This not only deters rust and prevents food from sticking, but it also makes the grill easier to clean. Because of its size, the CharBroil Performance 300 heats up quickly, cooks food evenly, and doesn't take up a lot of space. The grill is moderately priced, easy to put together, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and compact, making this an ideal unit if you're on a budget, but still want to make a solid investment. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.